Black Elm Woodcraft, guys, we're back at it again, and today we're going to be putting some finish on this beautiful monkey pod slab here, 13 foot long. Now I've already carded it with epoxy that hardens the top, and it fills in some of these tiny hairline fissures you'll see along here. So we're going to get sanding on this thing, get a homogeneous coat, that way it's nice and everything absorbs equally. We also picked up a new toy. We got the Graco 2 coat 360, and that's the variable speed one. We'll be using it, and I already used it to spray the bottom, and I like the way it turned out a lot. You can shoot a thick viscous finish as opposed to having to thin it down a lot. It fills these open-end grain woods a lot better. Gives you a glass smooth finish. So this one's gonna be a kitchen island, so we did harden it with the epoxy, more durable. And now all we gotta do is sand and sand and sand. But we got what we need, our buckies. And I got my Sherwin shirt on because it's laundry day. Well, it's always laundry day, but let's get cranking, guys. It's big. All right, here we go. Also got your earbuds you gotta put in here. Get the fan going and get started. Guys, we've got the monkey pod slab all sanded out and ready to go. And I saw my other video, we rolled out 2 coats of the urethane on there. That's to build and seal the pores gives us a flatter finish, and then we hit it with the airless. And some people are going to say, oh, you should HVLP, you should air assist, airless, 3-stage turbine. It's all what you're comfortable with. I grew up shooting airless, and the one problem you do have with it is there's a lot of waste when you're priming the machine. But this almost gives you 0 waste. And it will shoot a viscous material, so you don't need to thin it if it's a good level of material. And we're gonna get this coat shot out, and you'll see the results for yourself. But I'm pleased with it, and I'm sure the owner will be pleased with it too. So here it is. We'll shoot this on about a 5 or a 6. I'm using the wide tip. We'll get it loaded up and go from there. Say, oh, you're not straining it. No. Sorry. So we'll pour it up to almost the top. That's a single component, so I'm not too worried about waste. Take that portion off. Bag drops directly in there. And then that screws on like so, creating the seal. And you have a primer bag you open up over there, and you squeeze it till all the air is out of it. See a little bit of stuff coming up through here. Perfect. Lock it down. There it is. Said we're good to go. See what you think of the finish yourself. Safety glasses on. And I'm just gonna walk around, shoot a perimeter first. Everything's been wiped down and clean. And I'll give you an idea of what the pattern looks like. I've got the fan on, but I do have that door closed, so we've got minimal air movement. So let's get started. Turn to spray. We'll puff, she's good to go. Let's hit it. Voila. There you have the finish. Now it'll get sanded, it'll get one more, and then she'll be ready. So, It's looking good.